You in a drought.
I don't trust my bitch.
Most hype collab. We already went over the black pair, the white pair, the green, and in today's video we are reviewing the purple CPFM Nike Air Force One collab, guys. I went over these sneakers a couple times, guys, I'm not gonna lie, and honestly I just have to get every single color. Go back, go watch the last videos. I did a real versus fake, and I have this pair in from HulkVault.ru. So shout out HulkVault, they did a great job. Let's go ahead and do a review and show you guys how good these are. So let's get right into it. I've been seeing them everywhere. Everybody has them. Not gonna lie. If you go on Depop, you can see these. Everybody's trying to get a pair of selling, whatever the case may be. And number one, like always talked about in this. I don't know why. Back to school list, they always mention CPFM are definitely a standout shoe. So when building a sneaker collection, I feel like you should look for sneakers like this and just look for shit that you know you probably pop out in twice. You feel me? Twice throughout the whole year. Because really, what do you match with this? And you can step with this. I know a hell of fits I could put together, but overall, like the purple versus the green, or white, or even the OG colorways, this is definitely the loudest and by far my most favorite. Shout out HulkVault. Go ahead and check them out. I got this for about like $160 overall. The price point is pretty decent. And if you guys look at this color, the color is perfect. So let's go ahead and get a couple of details and let's get into an on foot for these and show you what to do, because there's a lot of fucked up looking fakes out here. Like the color is fucked up. It's all purple with white lettering. And honestly, just so you guys don't get scammed, so let's get into a really quick review for you guys. Lettering, placements, all that. So this is the left shoe. It says Sunshine going throughout the back. Right here, the lettering with the spacing right here is perfect. If you look closely, you're looking good right there on the leather, as well as the 3M reflective. It is reflecting a little bit from my light I have. So one thing I want to mention is that color being perfect. You feel me? This is like a lighter with neon and then a matte, I guess. So this is like a light, matte, and then a neon kind of color. So it's just to bring this all purple together and making it be great. You feel me? It's not supposed to be all one color, as well as the letters are not supposed to be all one color. And honestly, the qualities on this is crazy. So go on to the air, go on to the right shoe right here. You got C right shoe, boom. Easy, air looks great. Air looks great. Going down, got the Nike Air, color perfect, as well as the laces. These are the lighter, chunkier laces, which they did great. They put in. They did great. No complaints, guys. I'm gonna do an on feed for you guys to show you. This is probably definitely top 3, bro. Top 3 was like pickups I got in the past year. Be hard to find or just get in. So shout out HulkVault. They did me right. Let's get into this. Shit.
You in a drought.
I don't trust my bitch. Ever.
Nigga, you don't lay up, baby.